Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add photos on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on the "What's on your mind" option at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply tap on photo or video, or you can just simply select photo. Here I can select this photo. After selecting the photo, you can now tap on done at the top right corner of the screen, and after this you can just simply say something about this photo. You can write a caption, and now you can tap on post at the top right corner of the screen. And this is the way you can add photos on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.